Today, we're talking about a part of your car that's often overlooked but is absolutely crucial for your vehicle's performance and safety, the differential. But first, what is a differential? Your differential transfers power from the engine to your wheels, allowing them to rotate at different speeds, especially when turning. Without it, driving would be rough and cornering would be dangerous. When you turn a corner, the outer wheel travels a greater distance than the inner wheel. The differential lets both wheels rotate independently, keeping your ride smooth. But what happens when your differential starts to fail? Ignoring the signs could lead to costly repairs or even an accident. So, let's break down the 5 telltale signs that your differential might need repair. Sign number 1. Vibration when driving. If you start feeling unusual vibrations while driving, especially from under the vehicle or near the drive shaft, that could be your differential acting up. These vibrations tend to get worse when you accelerate. Sometimes, it's due to a worn-out differential gear that's become distorted over time. Don't ignore this. Vibrations can escalate quickly and lead to even more expensive damage. Sign number 2. Oil leaks. Spot fluid pooling under your vehicle? Your differential has gear oil that lubricates and cools its parts. A leak can lead to friction and damage. Sign number 3. Gear grinding sounds. Grinding gears is a major red flag. If you hear grinding noises when accelerating, your differential gears are likely worn down and struggling to mesh properly. This noise often starts off subtle, like a low humming, but it gets progressively louder. Sometimes, a simple differential fluid change can solve it if caught early. Sign number 4. Uneven or premature tire. Where have you noticed your tires wearing out faster, especially on the inside edges? That can happen when your differential gears are misaligned, causing the wheels to rotate unevenly. It's most noticeable on the front tires because they do more work when cornering. But here's the catch. Uneven tire wear can also result from poor alignment, incorrect tire pressure, worn suspension components. Sign number 5. Poor handling and cornering. Your differential is vital for smooth turns and precise handling. That if your car starts pulling to one side, feels loose, or becomes sluggish when accelerating, your differential could be the culprit. Poor handling can compromise your control, increasing the risk of accidents. So, if your car doesn't feel as responsive as it used to, get it checked as soon as possible. Differential issues can start small, but get expensive fast if ignored. Addressing these signs early can save you from costly repairs and keep your car safe on the road. Get your vehicle to a trusted mechanic and have your differential inspected. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car maintenance tips.